When you bake at home, think about the people that you are serving food to. The people that you love, the people you want to please with your food. Perfect. The first contact you have with the food is always a visual contact. My pastries are like a silent film. You have to be seduced by it. That's amazing. I'm going to teach you the building blocks of pastry. With a simple recipe, make something beautiful. You have to learn to really master a croissant. I call it the omelette of pastry. They should feel super fluffy and light. I look at this honeycomb. This air pocket flakes all over. This is a really beautiful croissant. I think it's very important to have everything in front of you before you start doing anything. When you whisk something, everything is in a wrist. Draw an 8 with your whisk and then draw a 0. You repeat this forever. Pastry is very precise and scientific. You have to measure, prepare, plan. Less than 3 seconds. Being creative is everything. Super smooth, shiny. You can see the glaze that's been done properly. When you look into it, you can see your reflection. You can be creative as well. Being creative is also connecting with people. Think about who you are serving food to. Baking can be daunting. You should never be intimidated. Anyone can be a great baker with a great teacher. I'm Dominique Ansel, and this is my masterclass.